Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're here, you're probably in the middle of binge watching your favorite show on YouTube TV and suddenly need to hit pause. Maybe for a quick snack or to answer the door. Don't worry, I'm going to walk you through it step by step. This is video number 3 in our series on mastering YouTube TV, and today we're focusing on the simple yet essential feature, pausing your content. First off, let's quickly recap what YouTube TV is. It's a streaming service that lets you watch live TV, on-demand shows, and more, all from your TV, phone, or computer. Pausing is straightforward, but it can vary slightly depending on the device you're using. If you're watching on your smart TV or a streaming device like Chromecast, grab your remote. Look for the pause button. It's usually a simple icon that looks like 2 vertical lines. Just press it once, and your video will freeze right where you left off. Easy, right? You can resume by pressing play. Remember, on live TV, pausing might only work for a short time before it catches up, but for recorded shows, you've got more flexibility. Now, if you're on the YouTube TV mobile app, whether it's on your phone or tablet, open the app and start playing your content. Once it's playing, you'll see controls at the bottom of the screen. Tap the video to bring up the pause button, which again looks like those 2 vertical lines. Tap it, and bam! Paused. This is super handy for when you're on the go. For those using a web browser on your computer, log into YouTube TV via your account. Hit play on your show, and the video controls will appear at the bottom. Click the pause icon to stop the playback. Pro tip: if you're having trouble, make sure your device is updated and you're signed in properly. Sometimes glitches can happen. And there you have it. Pausing on YouTube TV is quick and intuitive, no matter where you are. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips. Drop a comment below if you have questions about other features, like rewinding or recording. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.